Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient color border to PNG image in Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add gradient color border to a PNG image. Now you can see firstly insert the PNG image. Now you can see this PNG image and border in gradient color. Now going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button option. Now select from blending option. Now click from show the new interface. Now select from stroke. Now add the stroke tick mark. Now gradient color, select from stroke and click from fill type. Now select from color. Now select from gradient color. Now choose from gradient color. Now choose the gradient color. That is. Now select from manage gradient color. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see add gradient color border in PNG image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.